The interesting stuff starts to happen when we take these two and we merge it in with the data in our database. So we go back to the PowerQuery menu. This is going to take it from a database. So I've got a MySQL database here that I'm going to go and the database name is PowerQuery demo. And now it's secure log on. I've already logged on, so it's cached my credentials, so it won't ask me again, but it is in the background securing me against the database. And now what I have is it's going to the database, and there I've got my invoices table. It happens to be the only table that I've got in the database, but you would normally have a number more, but that database happens to just have this data in it. So now this is bringing data in from that database, and we'll see it here. It'll give me a preview of the data from that table. But the product information isn't here. All I've got is a product ID. I need product names and who the supplier is and things like that. And I've only got a country. I've not got what sort of regions they're in or country. And so that's the sort of information I want to add. So I'm going to merge these queries together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to merge together the data that we have here with the product information. I'm going to merge that on product ID. It tells me, yes, I've got a match across here. So I say, OK, I'm going to merge those two together. When I've brought that in, I can say which values, which columns I want from this new table. And I'm going to I don't want the product ID, I want the product name, the category, and the supplier. And I'll say OK to that. So that's brought that information in. And so it's merged those two together. I don't need this product category anymore, so I can remove that because it's already done its job in helping me merge that data. Then I'm going to do a second merge with this. So I've merged in the product data. I now need to merge in the geography data, and this time I'm going to merge on country. Again, it's matched all the rows, so a good match here. And again, I'm going to select some of these. I've already got the country in the underlying data set, so I'm just going to add the region and the continent. So there we go. Well, I've taken the data, merged them together, added some columns, taken a few out. I can do all sorts of other things, calculate views, I can filter and select and sort and all this sort of thing. I've done enough here, I think, to demonstrate the point that I can very quickly and easily do this. The great thing about this is this is reproducible. If the data in the database changes, I just go and click the refresh, and it'll bring the latest data in.